Good afternoon, students. Today we will study chapter 3 of main course book, The Cherry Tree, written by Ruskin Bond. Okay, so how many characters are there? First we have to know, we should know that how many characters are there in the story. So mainly there are two characters only, grandfather and Rakesh. Rakesh and grandfather, these are two main characters of the story. The story revolves around these two characters only. Okay. Now we will discuss this story point by point. The content of the story. The content of the story is telling us that everything in world has a process to grow. Like being a human being, we also have a process. Like child takes birth, and after that he or she grows and becomes child, and then teenager, then young person, then old person. So we grow in a process, step by step. Similarly, the tree grows in a process. Firstly, we have to sow a seed. Then when we rope the seed, when we plant the seed after some time the twig becomes out from the ground, and then it becomes a plant. When the twig grows, it becomes a plant, and after some time the plant starts giving flowers. Okay, and when the flowers ripe, when it grows, means the flowers grows, it becomes fruit. Okay, and means this is the process. First we have to plant a seed, then it becomes a twig comes from the ground, and when the twig grows, it becomes a plant, and after when the plant grows, it starts giving flowers, and when flowers ripe, when flowers grows, the flowers start giving fruit. So this is a step by step upbringing, step by step process of growing a tree. Okay, and at last we will analyze the chapter. Okay, so let's start the chapter. Let's start the chapter. I am going to discuss the chapter point wise point. The first one is referring to seed, the second is to twig, and the third one is for the plant. Okay, it is for the plant, and the next one is for the flowers, and the last one is for the fruits. Okay, and analyze is written here. Okay, so about the seed, what is written here? Rakesh, the protagonist. Protagonist means you can see here the leading character. Who is protagonist? Protagonist means the leading character. So Rakesh, the protagonist, means Rakesh, the leading character. He is the main character of this story. So Rakesh, the leading character, digs the ground with a spade that plants a seed of a cherry tree. So here it is said that Rakesh, who is the main character, who is the leading, we can't say that the main character because grandfather is also main character. He was the leading character of this story, and he planted a seed, and of which the seed was, it was of a cherry. The chapter starts with the line. I explained the chapter when it is written that Rakesh comes to his grandfather in Mussoorie because in his town there were no good schools and he wanted to get good education. So he came to his grandfather, and when one day when he went Mussoorie, market in Mussoorie, he purchased cherries, and on the way he was eating cherries, and when he reached home only 3 cherries were left, and when he reached to the ground, he entered in the garden, not ground, sorry. When he entered in the garden, he saw that his grandfather was sitting there. He offered the cherries to his grandfather, and grandfather took 1 cherry, 2 were left. So immediately what Rakesh did, he left 2 cherries in his mouth because he didn't wanted to miss the cherries. He liked cherries, and when the cherry is finished in his mouth, only the seed left and he was rolling the seed in his mouth because he didn't want to throw it. But he had to throw. And after that he went to his grandfather and asked that are they useful for us? And grandfather suggested that plant this cherry seed, cherry in the ground, and he planted. Okay, so this is the story of the seed. And after that what happened? This is about the twig. Rakesh shows his grandfather the cherry twig and he advises to take care of it. And one day what happened, when Rakesh entered into the garden, he saw a twig. He observed that a twig was means he thought that it is kept on the ground. When he bent down to put that twig, he saw that it was properly rooted. He became very happy because it was the twig of cherry seed. He called his grandfather and informed him that the seed which we planted here, now it has given this twig. And grandfather also became very happy and he advised Rakesh to take care of the twig. And he said that now and then you have to water this plant, this twig. Okay. Now the plant. Now the monsoon season approaches and the cherry plant grows faster. And we all know that all the trees grows faster in monsoon season because this is the suitable season for the trees. And this was the monsoon season, and this year it is written in the chapter that this year monsoon came early and now the twig became a plant because it was growing faster because of the monsoon season. Okay. Next one is for the flowers. His grandfather sees some pink flowers on the cherry tree, and after some time when grandfather entered into the garden, he saw that there were pink flowers onto the tree, and he became so happy. He informed Rakesh also that the tree has given flowers, and after some time the fruits will come. Now finally the next summer brings the first fruit, and finally when Rakesh turns 9, means he completed 8 years and he entered into 9 year, he saw that the cherry tree gave first fruit. That was the this is a successful story of a seed. Firstly it was robbed, and after that it became a twig, then plant, then flowers appears, and after appearing the flowers gave the fruits. So this is the successful story of a seed. Okay, so this is the content of the chapter. Now what is the analysis of it? Analysis means, first is, there are two analyses. First, the cherry tree is a symbol of survival. Why it is said that this is a symbol of survival? Right now I explained you in Zoom class that when the plant was about 2 feet high, a goat entered into the garden and the goat ate all the leaves and trunks of the plant. Only the stem and 2 branches were left. And Rakesh became very nervous. He became so upset when he saw that the goat had eaten all the leaves and branches. But grandfather said, don't worry, don't be upset, because cherry trees are tough and it will grow again. So this is really, it is a survival, because after surviving the tree grew again. So we can't say that